Can we use light to save our cultural heritage? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about how photonics, using things like lasers and 3D scanners, is changing the way we protect and preserve history's treasures. Photonics is all about using light, and it's making a big difference in how we care for art and historical sites. As someone from Japan, I'm especially excited about how this technology could help preserve our traditional architecture like temples and shrines for many years to come. Let's dive in. Photonics, which is all about using light, is helping us protect history in amazing ways. It's making it easier to study and restore old artifacts and buildings without touching or damaging them. Experts are using laser cleaning and 3D scanning to care for historical treasures more carefully and safely than ever before. These technologies are changing how we preserve our past, letting us clean and restore things without causing any harm. It's a whole new way to protect history for future generations. Let's talk about laser cleaning, which is an incredible way to clean delicate surfaces using light. But how does it work? Lasers send out very focused beam of light. When this light hits the surface of an object, it can heat up and remove tiny layers of dirt or grime without damaging the material underneath. The key is that the laser is very precise, and so it only affects the dirt and not the object itself. It's kind of like shining a flashlight on a spot, but much more powerful and controlled. By adjusting the strength of the laser, experts can make sure that only the unwanted dirt is removed, leaving the historical item untouched. This method is super important for things like old statues, paintings, and even stone buildings because it keeps them safe while making them clean. Now let's move on to 3D scanning, which works by using light to create a detailed digital copy of an object. How does it do that? A special scanner sends out light, usually lasers or structured light, which bounces off the object. The scanner then measures how long it takes for the light to return. This helps it understand the shape and surface of the object. The scanner collects millions of data points and combines them to create a 3D model, like taking thousands of tiny photos from every angle. This digital model, often called a digital twin, is an exact copy of the object, down to the smallest detail. Once we have the model, we can study it without touching the actual object, make repairs, or even 3D print a replica. This technology is really helpful when it comes to preserving ancient buildings or fragile artifacts because it lets us look at them and work on them digitally without any risk of causing damage. Let's look at some real examples of photonics in action. One of the most famous cases is the restoration of Michelangelo's frescoes in the Sistine Chapel. Over the years, these beautiful paintings became covered in soot and dirt. With laser cleaning, the artwork was carefully cleaned, revealing the bright colors that had been hidden for centuries. Another example is Palmyra, an ancient city in Syria that was badly damaged. Using 3D scanning, experts were able to create digital models of its monuments so they can be rebuilt in the future. For Japan, I imagine this technology could be used to protect places like Himeji Castle or the Fushimi Inari Shrine. These places are so important to our culture, and with photonics, we could preserve every detail for the future. As we have seen today, photonics is giving us powerful tools to protect and preserve our history. Whether it's the Sistine Chapel, ancient Palmyra, or Japan's beautiful temples or shrines, these technologies are helping us keep these treasures safe. Which historical site or artifact would you like to see saved with these new technologies? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed learning about how light is helping us protect the past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and let's continue exploring how we can keep our history alive together. Thank you very much.